Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down and click on About Phone section. After that, you need to choose device name and type in wherever you wish to. I will go with flower. Then tap on OK in this pop-up and then select OK in this one as well. As you can see, after that, name of my Motorola has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!